This is the new Custom Mofo from Treble Blades. The Mofo is a heavy-duty folding knife equipped with the wide-bellied clip point blade. The blade is 4 inches long and is made of thick CPM CRU-WEAR, an air-hardening tool steel designed as an upgrade to D2. It has a hollow grind and a dark green finish with a long section of jimping along the spine. This large folder features a full dark green titanium frame lock handle with a tron pattern design. It has a thumb hole and a thumb stud opener with a tip-up pocket clip. Treble Blades Mofo is a rugged, dependable knife that won't disappoint. You can pick yours up at the link in the description. Thanks for watching. These custom Mofos are awesome, but let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more new knife releases. You can also follow Blade HQ on social media and sign up for our newsletter down below.